Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in this beautiful world. Hope you're doing well. A million times welcome to another episode of the podcast Lux Splendida. I'm your host Daniel. We are here in nature. This is beautiful. We are here recharging our batteries. We out here getting some vitamin S, vitamin sun. We out here getting some vitamin C, vitamin sand. We're getting it all today. We're getting it. And it's beautiful. We're getting some inspiration, creativity. We're getting some grounding done. We're getting some connection, connection. So this is today's video. The importance of being out in nature and that relationship with spirituality. So if you have been on a spiritual path recently, if you just started, or if you're like well-seasoned spiritual person that has been doing this for years and years, you know the importance of us being in nature. There's nothing quite like it. There's a difference between, for example, one meditating at the beach, for example, in the countryside, in the woods, in the mountains, in a desert, by the river, by a creek, by a waterfall, and doing that same meditation at home. I mean, you see the difference, right? Being in nature allows us to open up to our true selves. It gives us a connection to everything. It allows us to feel a lot more, to feel how we should feel. Physically, mentally, spiritually. You get more inspired by being out in nature than you being in an office or home, in the shopping center, in a restaurant, in a clothing store, right? This is our natural element, to be out in nature. This is us. We're not meant to be locked up in an office 9 to 5 or 9 to 6 or whatever time it is. We're not meant to be locked up at home because someone said that we should, that we have to. Okay? Because that's going to benefit everyone else. That's not in our nature. That goes against our nature. So go out in nature. Go out. Is the weather like this? Is it very sunny where you are? Go out. Is it really hot? Leave the house. Go for a walk. Go and find a piece of nature. Go and find where's woods? Where are they? Go and find it. Be in the woods. Go to the beach if you can get to one. If it's not too far away from you. Get to the beach. Go to the river. Go to a lake. Go to the mountains. Be out in nature. Allow yourself to be open. Because in spirituality, when you're out in nature very often, things will come to you a lot easier, a lot faster even. Okay? You will be put in situations that will challenge you, sure, but that will benefit you a lot more. Okay? When you're out in nature, you're letting the universe knows, basically. The universe, your higher self, your guardian angels, your spirit guides, the ascended masters, you're letting them know that you're willing to be open. You are willing to accept communication. Okay? You're willing to grow. You're willing to explore. You're willing to accept things as they are and deal with them in the best way possible. Being in nature will allow you that if you do it on a regular basis. Now, I'm not saying like, hey, do it every day. If you can't do it every day, I understand there's, if you say like, look, I'm only free 2 days out of the week, weekend or whatever, whenever you've got your days off, fine. Take advantage of those days off and be out in nature. Go out, explore. Allow yourself, like I said, to grow, literally to grow spiritually, and say like, look, I'm doing this for myself. I'm doing this because I need to improve myself. I need to grow. I need to be better. I need to find out who I am, who I really am, if I don't know it already. And I need to be in connection with nature, with trees, with flowers, with the waters, the oceans, the lakes, the rivers, the creeks, the waterfalls. Okay? I need to learn more about myself and other people as well. So go out in nature. It's crucial for us to be out in nature. It's really, really important to be out in nature when it comes to spirituality. Okay? It's our natural state. Sure, we've got houses, we've got homes made out of all these materials that we've created, that we've gathered, but we're not meant to be inside most part of the day, most hours of the day. I understand we've got jobs, we've got careers, but we're supposed to be outside as much as possible. Okay? Find yourself in nature. Find yourself in nature. Go out, spend a lot of time in nature. See how you feel when you come home. Okay? You're starting your spiritual adventure. Spend a lot of time in nature. Communicate with people that spend a lot of time in nature and ask them how they feel after spending a lot of time in nature. Okay? This is my honest message to you. I'm very grateful for you taking your precious time to be here with me today. Leave a like, drop a comment, share this video with whoever, family, friends, colleagues, your partner, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Okay? Peace and love. Peace and love. Peace and love. Take care.